So we're going to talk about one of the toughest topics, I think, on the Regents. A lot of people always have problems with solving equations because they don't know which steps to do first. So I decided to pick a nice, difficult problem, one that has pretty much every step in it, and take you guys through it. So first thing, we got to see if we got to distribute. Now, the only time we're going to distribute is if we have parentheses. In this case, we do have parentheses, so I'm going to be multiplying. When you distribute, you multiply. So simplifying this, I'm going to rewrite it. So we got 13x, that didn't get touched. Now, the negative 2 times x becomes negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4 becomes negative 8. This equals 8x plus 1. Nothing happened over there. So, we got our distributing done. All our parentheses are accounted for. Now, we have to combine. And when we combine, it's on the same side of the equal sign. So I'm going to put my line down here just to kind of divide it up. So, really the only like terms I have are positive 13 and a negative 2. And we can combine those. 13 and a negative 2 would be positive 11x minus 8 equals 8x plus 1. So there's nothing else that we can combine, so I'm going to cross that step out. Now we have to go and eliminate. Now we have two x terms, we have two numbers. Doesn't really matter which one you try to do first. I always like starting with numbers first. It's the kind of way I did it. I'm going to add 8 on both sides because I want to make my number that I have left a positive number. So if I add 8 to both sides, my 8's cancel. And then I have a 9 here. I have 8x, that plus sign because it's positive. And I'm down to 11x over here. So now that I have eliminated once, I actually have to eliminate a second time. Now, in this case, there's two x terms left. So to balance it, I'm going to want to get rid of this one. I'm going to subtract 8x on both sides. The 8x's cancel out. I have 9 on the right side, and I got 3x on the left. So now I'm down to one x term and one number. I'm finished with eliminating. Now I just got to isolate. In this case, I'll divide both sides by 3. Cross that out. And then x is 3. That's going to be our answer. Now we can always go up and plug 3 into where x is to help us see if our answer is correct. Don't necessarily have to, but if you have the time, it'd be a good practice to get into doing. I hope this helped you guys, and see you in class.